I'd be happy to help. Here's part 1 of a slow English shadowing script for beginners. Slow English practice and shadow after me for beginners. Hello, my friend. Welcome to today's English practice. Please listen carefully. Then repeat after me. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Let's begin. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you too. Good morning. Have a nice day. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink a glass of water. I make my bed. I take a shower. I wear clean clothes. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I am ready for my day. I feel happy. I like learning English. I practice every day. English is becoming easier. I can speak English. I believe in myself. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson. This script is suitable for about 3 to 4 minutes of slow audiobook narration with pauses for shadowing. You can ask me for part 2, 8 to 10 minutes, if you want a longer lesson. Slow English practice and shadow after me for beginners. Part 2. Welcome back. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. The air is fresh. I feel calm. I feel happy. I open the window. I look outside. The birds are singing. I smile. I walk to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I drink slowly. The tea is warm. It tastes good. Now I read a book. The book is interesting. I learn new words. I write them in my notebook. I read them again. Practice makes me better. I am learning every day. I enjoy speaking English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn. I become more confident. I can understand more English. I can speak better every day. I will never give up. I believe in myself. My English is improving. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep listening. Keep speaking. See you in the next lesson. Slow English practice and shadow after me for beginners. Part 3. Welcome back. Let's continue our English practice. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Take your time. There is no hurry. Learning English is a journey. I enjoy learning every day. Today, I go to the park. The weather is nice. The sky is clear. The sun is warm. I walk slowly. I see green trees. I see colorful flowers. The birds are singing. Children are playing. People are smiling. I sit on a bench. I take a deep breath. The fresh air feels wonderful. I drink some water. I read a short story. I learn a new word. I repeat the word 3 times. I speak clearly. I speak with confidence. I am becoming a better speaker. I listen carefully. I understand more every day. I enjoy practicing English. I am patient. I keep learning. I never stop trying. Small steps bring big success. I can do it. You can do it too. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson. Slow English practice and shadow after me for beginners. Part 4. Welcome back. This is part 4. Relax your body. Take a slow, deep breath. Listen first. Then repeat after me. I am at the supermarket. I need a shopping basket. I walk slowly. The store is clean. The vegetables are fresh. I buy tomatoes. I buy potatoes. I buy carrots. I buy apples. I buy bananas. I also need milk. I take a bottle of milk. I need a loaf of bread. I put it in my basket. Now I look for eggs. Here they are. I take 1 box of eggs. I check my shopping list. Everything is ready. I walk to the cashier smiles. She says, "Hello." I say, "Hello." She asks, "Do you need a bag?" I say, "Yes, please." I pay for my groceries. She says, "Thank you." I say, "Have a nice day." She smiles again. I leave the supermarket. I feel happy. I practiced English today. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. Thank you for listening. See you in part 5, Slow English Practice and Shadow After Me for Beginners. Part 5. Welcome back. This is part 5, Relax. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Today I am at a coffee shop. The coffee shop is quiet. It is clean and comfortable. I open the door. I walk inside. A friendly barista smiles at me. She says, "Good afternoon." I say, "Good afternoon. I would like a cup of coffee, please." She asks, "Small or large?" I say, "A small cup, please." She asks, "Would you like sugar?" I say, "Yes, a little sugar, please. Thank you very much." I pay for my coffee. Now I wait for my order. A few minutes later, my coffee is ready. I take my cup carefully. I find a quiet table. I sit down. The coffee smells wonderful. I drink it slowly. It is warm and delicious. I read a short English book. I learn 5 new words. I repeat each word 3 times. Practice makes me stronger. Every day I learn something new. I enjoy speaking English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I am becoming more confident. I will practice again tomorrow. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in part 6, Slow English Practice and Shadow After Me for Beginners. Part 6. Welcome back. This is part 6. Please relax, listen carefully, then repeat after me. Today I am at the library is quiet. Many people are reading. I walk slowly. I look for an English book. I find a good book. I take the book from the shelf. I sit at a table. I open the book. The story is easy to understand. I read one page, then I read it again. I learn new words. I write them in my notebook. I read each word aloud. I repeat every sentence. My pronunciation is getting better. I enjoy learning English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Help me improve. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Every day I become more confident. I understand more English now. Learning English is fun. I will never stop learning. I believe in myself. I can speak English. I can do it. Thank you for practicing with me today. Have a peaceful day. See you in part 7.